That's a star. That's the sky getting bright. The wind is ruffling, and all of us cannot wait anymore. We want to see that DJI wireless mic 2 come out so we don't have to yell at you, Osmo Action 4. Well, 2024, it's going to be a smash hit. You know what we're going to be seeing, and it's probably already in the talks of. It's a DJI Osmo Action 5. And also a GoPro Hero 13. Oh man, I'm so happy I returned the GoPro Hero 12 because they took the sale off and raised it to $399.99, and that's what the camera cost. And I'm happy I returned my Insta360 X3. It's right back up to $449.99. It's the same price as the Insta360 Ace Pro. And did the basic come out already? I can't afford to spend all that money on just a small camera and not use it as much as I use my Osmo Action 4. Well, it's not all about cameras because the Osmo Action 4, this is what I look like in the picture, very far away. With the GoPro, I like because I look like this. I'm like right on top of you. I like the field of view. I don't know if I love the colors, but you know what? I just grabbed my GoPro Hero 10, which is not giving me any more troubles ever again. It's doing a great job. I'm happy to pick it up and use it, which I've done. And I did some UMX E-Flight Radiant, and doesn't matter when that plane is out there. You don't know what you're looking at. A spot in the sky. And these cameras, they do a great job in infinity just picking everything up, but it all depends on the hobby you're doing. This is like a excellent backup camera for my reviews, only if I had a DJI wireless mic. I don't even know if it instantly comes on when you use it, or it's got that bug that we all complained about, that I gave up trying to tell DJI what to do. They just listen. They don't want to hear it. They don't want to take care of it. They just say, "Oh, you're very important to us, Fish." And that's all they say. Well, stringing people along is not what we want. We want things to be taken care of, DJI. It's like a love and hate relationship with anything. With the DJI, the one thing I love is that instant record feature. It comes on as quickly as it can when I hit the QS. When I use the GoPro and I hit the QC, quick capture, I got a long time to set up and think of what I'm going to say, and then I'm ready to go do it. And what's that saying? Ready, set, action. I totally forget what that saying is. It's lights, camera, action. So yeah, I'm Fish. You know who I am. Oh, come on, Fish. Continue with the story. Yeah, so action cameras, they do great. They take care of business. But the other half is editing. I ain't waiting around for a legacy to come around. I don't use legacy. I don't care about quick. But I really do care about the software I use, and it's just becoming a pain. And both of them are becoming a pain. I'm like saving up my money, putting into a pot. Yeah, I may just go out and go get it and just, force myself to learn it. I keep saying it over and over and over again. I want to give a special shout out to the people that stopped by for those 2 days, man. Oh, man. Thank you. Oh, you made me smile. Thank you for that present, man. That was awesome. Awesome of you guys. It's time for me to wrap this up. I could keep on talking, but I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot, and I shared a lot. And on that note, I'll catch up on many other videos. I gotta edit this. And I'm not happy with CapCut because they put this little line here, and wherever you move your mouse, that line follows. How do you get rid of that? Later.